Alright, so I'm super excited. The KMG-TX just came in, and we're going to unbox it. The variable speed drive and the articulating tool rest came the other day. And I thought all of them came and drove home at 100 miles per hour. But today I got a text from FedEx saying that it was in, so I left work to come here because I'm excited. Alright, so it's time to say goodbye to my sweet darling, my first grinder, Shop Fox, with the some little attachments to it. And it's been a wonderful grinder to me, but it's time for you to go, Tom. It's not you, it's me. Alright, boom. That's gonna be the only other issue, is getting the KMG up here. Alright. Extra tool rest. So, I have a drive, variable speed, control. Articulating tool rest. Very excited about that, considering the way I grind. Alright, turn off the left at this launch. It's 146 pounds apparently. I'm not gonna get it up here, but well, there we go. We did it. Now for a knife. Whew. Alright. Let's see what we got. So excited. Spent all yesterday, Monday, Labor Day, laboring to clean up and kind of slightly reorganize my small shop, because it's normally a small woodworking cabinet shop, but now, oh my goodness, would you look at it? No, you guys got to see this. It's just beautiful. All right, well, look at her. There she is, just gleaming. All right. Yes, I'm using my vacuum as a tripod here. All right, that looks good. Okay. All right. Well, just getting. Yeah. The Leeson 2 horsepower. Kind of had a moment this morning when I realized I was an idiot and I should have got 3 horsepower, because I'm about to wire up. I already have 220 in the shop, obviously, from cable saw my dust collector. I'm about to wire up a new outlet for this. And I just wondered why, because, well, let's be honest, I ordered it after, ordered this machine after a few cocktails one night when I just couldn't take it anymore. Oh, look, some 3M conditioning belts, so I'll use those. And I figured I'd get their abrasives package with it, because I've only really ever tried Combat abrasives and Norton abrasives, and I figured, why not try another brand, see if there's something better out there for me. All right, look at this beautiful beast. I cannot tell you how excited I am. Now, you guys might understand how excited I am, but regular people in my life don't. So I guess now, oh, I see, they have it set in the horizontal position. Wow. All right, so careful here. 10-inch contact wheel. and I'd love to say that I really know what I'm looking at. That's all, the shop box is all I've ever had, but it looks beautiful to me. And it just looks so incredibly tight and well made. Now, platen can only compare to the one I have, but again, tolerances look from the eye just beautiful and everything's well machined, and just so far I'm just tickled pink. Now let's see here. I am going to have to tilt this baby just to show everybody what it looks like in the appropriate knife grinding position. Alright. I've never made any videos before either, so I apologize. And I didn't read how to tilt this, so we're going to see how easy it is to tilt. Alright, well there's one there. And, well, maybe it's not as easy as I would have liked without reading anything. Probably not, Jonathan. Probably not. Oh, wait a minute. Well, I was wrong about that. It's incredibly easy. Alright, and I guess we'll give the 360 view of it, and ready to be wired to the variable speed drive. And the box for the variable speed came with perfectly incredible detailed instructions on how to, you know, wire it up, and then also set it up for 220, 240. Let's not get into that conversation. And they gave me a sticker. So I love stickers. And let's move this beauty around and see. I mean, this is the tilt. I mean, come on. Like, let's see. Let's loosen it. Tooling arm is in the way there, but it doesn't matter because unlock the unlocking bar, and then boom. And that is machined really well already. It has zero play in it once it's locked in. And my goodness, I can't tell you how excited I am about getting this thing into service, making some knives. Thank you everyone at Beaumont Metalworks. Everyone there was just amazing, because I was a little too excited and started calling and wondering where my grinder was, and they were just great about everything. And it actually got here super fast, especially during like the pandemic that's going on, but more than that, I guess increased demand. Everybody's, you know, at home doing stuff and buying stuff, and they got it here super quick. I would love to be able to tell you how quick, but I think like 3 or 4 weeks, something like that, which I find to be pretty amazing, because I'm still waiting on my kiln, and that's gonna take quite some bit longer. Anyway, thanks so much.